In this particular question, 3 triangles are given and numbers written at top and also at the center. Now these numbers bears a relationship, same relationship in the 3 triangle. First triangle, let us see. First triangle, the numbers written at the vertex is 11 plus 9 plus 12 divided by 4, which is 8. That means the rule is very simple. Sum of the number at the vertex divided by 4. Number written at the center, which is 8 over here. Similarly, in the second triangle, sum of the numbers at the vertex 8 plus 15 plus 13 divided by 4, which is 9, written at the center over here. So in the third triangle, same relation, the numbers 18 plus 14 plus 16 divided by 4, which is 48, 8 by 4, which is 12. So correct answer has to be 12, which is option